When summer storm season hits, you might be worried about the health of your pool. In our last video, we looked at all the steps that you can take to prepare your pool before an incoming storm hits. But now, it's time to clean up the aftermath. Today, we'll be showing you a few simple steps that you can take to clean up your pool after a storm and have it back to normal in no time. First things first, it's important to check your equipment to ensure that there has been no damage during the storm. We recommend doing this step first, as soon as the storm has settled. If you're unsure if there's been any damage, contact the professionals at your local Poolwerx who can do a thorough check of your equipment. Next, clean your pool and pump for any debris that is collected. Vacuum your pool and run your pump and filter. Then you'll want to balance your pool water, as heavy rainfall can affect your pool's pH levels. If you're unsure, your local Poolwerx has all of the chemicals required to bring your pool back to full health. One handy tip is to take the water sample from elbow depth to ensure you're getting the correct water sample reading. Finally, you may need to shock your pool of contaminants. Using Pool Shock is a simple process that will clean your water and make it crystal clear. Your local Poolwerx has got everything you need to get the job done. It's important that everything is clean, safe and rebalanced after a storm so that your pool is ready for swimming as soon as possible. Come into your local Poolwerx to stock up on all the high quality pool products that you'll need to keep your pool ready across the whole storm season. If you don't know where your nearest Poolwerx is, simply click on the link above to find out. And for more Pool Smart tips and DIYs, check out the rest of our pool problem solving series.